The Ohio House is looking into changing how police handle deportation.
New bill could even withhold funding from cities that fail to follow a new standard. Stephen Hernandez walks us through the bill and what it could mean for all of us.
Some Ohio House members are looking for a more universal application of immigration law through Ohio House Bill 26. House Representative and co-sponsor of the bill, Josh Williams, explains the bill looks to end sanctuary city policies that could limit actions against immigrants who lack permanent legal status.
We want to make sure that if those organizations, if those cities, if those municipalities decide to do that, the state of Ohio is not going to subsidize those decisions with discretionary funds.
House Bill 26 orders all law enforcement agencies to comply with several federal policies, such as for an officer to report an arrestee who they believe is unlawfully present in the U.S. and detaining that person if they're given a federal request to do so. Failure to comply could result in a 10% cut to their state funding. The bill could directly change policies in Cleveland, where Police Chief Dorothy Todd previously explained officers are limited in their actions on immigration.
We don't track immigration status of our residents, and we are going to continue on that stance.
Pat Espinosa with Sus Abogados Latinos says a bill like this could have negative consequences among Northeast Ohio's immigrant community.
Esta ley hace que gente tiene miedo del gobierno y no debe ser así.
Representative Williams hopes the bill will move Ohio's municipalities to support their citizens.
These are individuals that are taking resources away from average Ohioans who expect their government and their tax dollars to be spent on them and their children and their families.
The bill is currently being discussed in the House Public Safety Committee, but Williams hopes it could be approved and signed by the governor as early as this summer. In Cleveland, Stephen Hernandez, 19 News.